In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a perspective text effect in Canva. Whether you're crafting graphics for social media, a presentation, or any creative project, this eye-catching text treatment can really elevate your design. And the best part? You can do it all in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva in your favorite web browser. Canva is an easy-to-use design tool that's accessible online, which makes it convenient whether you're working from home or on the go. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Next, we'll create a new design. Click the Create a Design button. You can choose your custom dimensions or pick from one of Canva's preset options depending on what you're planning to create. Having the right canvas size ensures your design will fit perfectly in your intended platform, whether that be Instagram, Facebook, or print media. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar. Click on the Apps option from this list. Canva offers various apps to enhance your design capabilities, and one of them will help us create our perspective text effect. Type typecraft in the search bar to locate the specific tool we need. Typecraft is a fantastic feature within Canva that allows you to access and apply various text styles, putting everything you need to make your text visually pop right at your fingertips. After finding Typecraft, go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your desired text. This is where you can get creative. Think about what you want your text to say and how it will fit into your overall design theme. Once you've decided, type your text into the provided field. Now that you've entered your text, it's time to select a font. Canva offers a plethora of font styles from sleek and minimal to bold and decorative. Choose one that fits the tone of your message and enhances the text's readability and impact. You can experiment with different fonts to find the one that resonates most with your design. Once you've picked out your font, it's time to select a text effect. Look through the available effects in Typecraft and choose one that adds the right amount of depth and dimension to your text. Modify the effect's settings to adjust the perspective and shadow just the way you want it, achieving that perfect 3D look. After tweaking the effect to your satisfaction, click Add to Design. This will place your newly created perspective text directly onto your canvas. From here, you can adjust its position, size, and color to seamlessly integrate it into your overall design. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a striking perspective text effect in Canva. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel inspired to experiment with this text effect in your own designs. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.